Namaskar. This is Amar Kumar from Reiki Kendra. It's my pleasure today to share with you some information about Reiki, 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 the spiritual healing art. World over, people are talking about Reiki, है ना? And in advanced country, it is much more spread because it started earlier. What is Reiki? Guruji was from Japan. Dr. Mikao Sui, somewhere in the end of 19th century, it's almost more than 150 years now, that he discovered this great healing art. He spent decades motivated that Jesus Christ used to have healing touch, Gautam Buddha had a healing touch, etc. Somehow, even ancient Indian saints, there are a lot of stories. They used to touch and heal. So he started looking for it and spent decades of his life. Ultimately, it is said that he went on top of a hill called Mount Kurama Yama outside Kyoto. And he spent 21 days doing meditation, fasting without water. Very rigorous, but in the end of it, he was blessed. And he got this capability of channelizing life energy. Ray means universal, Ki means life energy. It's there within you, that's why you're surviving. It's there within me, that's why I am surviving. If the level goes down, we tend to attract diseases. It can be both mental and physical. So he called it Reiki, and Reiki is free from any religious discipline. It's acceptable to anyone because it doesn't follow any religion. You may see God in your own way. Somebody sees it as Krishna, somebody calls it Allah Ta'ala, somebody as Durga, Kali, Jesus, Granth Sahib. It's all okay. They are same. Energy is same. Like everybody has a blood. It doesn't belong to any religion. Similarly, life energy is common. Anyone can learn. And best part is there's no qualification required. Nothing. 5-year-old child can learn. Maybe 85-year-old aged people can learn. Sick people can learn. Healthy people can learn. In fact, it's good to learn when you are healthy. Prevention is always better than cure. So, how it happens? You see, we must understand our body system. This is our physical body. Outside this, there is an aura, AURA, energy body about which we may not know so much. In Indian religious granthas, it's been mentioned. They mention about aura, they mention about chakras, energy centers, etc. In brief, I'll tell you. So we all have an energy body, and that affects your health. Somebody has a very healthy energy body, somebody doesn't have, like physical body. And on the energy body, there are 7 major chakras, energy centers. What is that? What is the function? These chakras are like suction fan. They bring in life energy which is abundantly available, universal. Bring it and supply to our bodies. Nourish body's parts. There are 7 chakras are scattered, placed on our body. So Reiki master who is empowered to give you attunement. What is attunement? He, in pure form of Reiki, in authentic Reiki, he attunes 4 chakras in 2-day class. What is that? See, 4 chakras. First day he activates 2 chakras, next day 2 chakras, and there's a process. Once done, your chakras become much more capable of bringing more energy. And this everybody feels in the class from the very first day. A child also says, my hands are getting warm, there are sensations, it starts sweating, it becomes cold, it, it starts throbbing. All this sensation anyone can feel. That means excess energy is passing through your palms now. Your two palms become healing palms, healing hands. Now put your hand on your body. What you're doing? Supplying more energy to your body. It's going to nourish your body. So wherever you got a problem, say I got diabetes, so I'll put my hand more on my pancreas, left side of my stomach. I got liver problem, so I'll put it on liver, such and such. And it heals huge range of and not only self-treatment. The very first day of class, people are told to carry homework. And in their own family, they should experiment putting hand on their body and take a response. So from the day one, you can start healing yourself. You can help others by healing them. It's normal. And the best part is original Reiki is lifetime. Even if you don't practice for maybe 10 years, the day you need it, the moment you pray, energy starts coming and flowing into your palms. It's fantastic. It's just amazing. It can't be explained. I have never heard any guru giving this kind of a capability what Dr. Mikao Suiji gave to the society. That also he died 98 years back. And he didn't leave behind any organization. Still it is so popular. More and more people are learning because of the merit. So this is how Reiki works. Now, any problem like lifestyle diseases, diabetes, heart problem, this that, lungs problem, breathing problem, nerves based problems like anything, so many, or even mental problems, depression, anxiety prone attacks, nervousness, or maybe attitudinal problems like one tends to be unhappy, one tends to be afraid, always fearful, one is not able to enjoy life, always depressed, all kinds of problems. And definitely it affects your attitude, brings more positive attitude in you. Your anger comes down, your fear comes down. You don't tend to be sad. Rather, you look forward to life with a kind of a hope. And each moment you enjoy because you're much more energetic. You see, as you practice Reiki, your energy level goes up. And generally, who are regular practitioner, you find everybody sharing. That maybe from morning to night they are busy doing things but never get tired. Good sleep, always joyous feeling. Life becomes more meaningful. And as your mind improves, goes on positive side, that's your spiritual growth. So that's how Reiki works. Fantastic range of application, and that also no harmful side effect. It cannot harm you or harm anybody. It's a life energy. So fearlessly one can give Reiki or treat others. And even while some other treatment is going on, somebody is with blood pressure, okay, there's no risk. Medicine continues. But lifelong medicine, no. When you do Reiki, maybe a few months you find your medicinal dose starts coming down, doctor starts reducing it because your count improves. This is our treatment. It assists, Reiki assists any ongoing treatment. And once you learn, it is lifetime. That is again amazing. 10 years you don't practice, but it is there. And practicing Reiki, there couldn't be anything simpler. Just put your hand. That's all. You are going on a bus, you're traveling, just put your hand. You're watching a movie or TV, put your hand. Any time is Reiki time. No conditions. And how much time? No conditions. Whatever time is available, just put your hand. That's so simple. So that's how Reiki works. Very simple to learn. But learn it right. Original Reiki, authentic Reiki is very different from all these shortcut methods which you see on YouTube, internet, etc. And X Reiki, Y Reiki, Z Reiki, and nowadays online Reiki. Oh God, even 5% benefit people get, they are totally enamored with all this, they don't know what they missed. There's absolutely no comparison Authentic original Reiki is totally different, very high. Devote 2 days to learn. Learn it from any good Reiki master. There are few masters available everywhere. You have to find. We started Reiki Kendra maybe 1997, one of the oldest. And in 1998, the first one in the country to get government registration. And ever since then, thousands and thousands of people have benefited from learning or getting treated. We don't have any branches. We are in Kolkata and people come from different places to learn. It's always on Saturday, Sunday, whole day, 9:30 to 5:30. And you're most welcome. You can check us on our website, reikikendra.com, our mobile 98310 or look for me, Amar Kumar, in Google, Reiki Grandmaster. Always welcome, but learn it right. Anywhere you can learn. There are good masters may be available close to you also. Check. But at Reiki Kendra, you're always welcome. Thank you. Namaskar.